sila po ang mananalo para sa ating Christmas attire competition. Magsitayo po.
Fashion walk.
Magsitayo.
Lahat po ng ito ay sample modeling. Our Midas modeling is a lifestyle and event magazine that blends style, culture, and insight. With a golden touch, its name combines aura and Midas, reflecting a vision to spotlight the essence of trends shaping our world. Covering fashion, business, travel, arts, and events across Malaysia, the Philippines, and beyond. More than just a ready na ba ang ating mga kababayan from AL Expo Queens? After our Midas are the ladies from KL Expo Queens. Ayan, makikita niyo ba mga kababayan, ibang-iba ang OFW ng Malaysia. Ayun, may paikot. Ayan, si Mami. Merry Christmas! Yes. Ayan, then habang yung mga kababayan natin na nakaupo sa table, i-check na natin sino kaya buhay winner o tingnan natin sino ang may pinakamagandang suot sa araw na ito. Ayan, umiilaw na ang Christmas tree natin sa loob. Ayan! Sino ang makakahula? Okay,
Okay, instead of mag-exit, mag-standard muna din.
Ayan, then make a pause. Turn around, make a very good. Ayan. Sige po. Ayan, may mga slash pa. Representing Miss Biasna, PTC 2025. Thank you. Miss Uniworld. Hindi ko pa rin kung kabatch nila nagbigay ng win. Ayan, si Miss NCE MA 2022. Grabe yung mga nakikita sa atin sa school, Pinoy, mga award winning. And of course, the Queen of, hindi ko na nabasa kasi hindi ko. Queen of the Night. Night? Day of the Night. Okay, number. Alright! Okay, careful lang po tayo sa pag-akyat. And next, Miss Philippines, Miss Universe, and Miss World! Nasa ilang lahat. Okay, Batma.
Okay, our Christmas attire competition will be judged by a fashion enthusiast and a professional dressmaker since
Ayan,
2003.
Miss Biasna.
And she is
Mag-post po tayo, mag-post pa po tayo.
currently work as a regional representative.
Kasi ano po kayo mamaya? Yan. Okay, okay na po. Okay, next! Ang ating iconic queen 2020 na erase ko. Ay, 2022. Go.
Alicia. She has a various experience in modeling, hair and makeup and dressmaking. Mga kababayan, let us welcome